Nature, so beautiful. God gave plant to humanity, and to humanity He gave to plant, that in plant we may find food and live in good health. To these plants we give life from our breath.
Food heads and abundant words.
This symbiotic relationship of you give me, I give you clearly explains the relationship between Nature's Renaissance International and its network of partners. Upline to downline, everyone gains something. They gain good health, they gain good wealth, they gain family.
Chinese people say Yoshanang, meaning good products, good thinking. I started from my little beginning. And before then, even that one leg, there was a time I got 150,000 naira. I said, look at, without any effort, I'm not putting out any effort. So now, let me cut the long story short. I'm so happy to belong to this family.
The vision of NRI is broad. It's beyond just products and cashing out. It's all about giving back to humanity.
It's about, maximizing all the resources in Africa, bringing all this thing together in a platform and better Africa far than the way we meant it. If you look at our achievements so far, you will agree with me that it's truly more than the MLM business. This is a vision.
I am connected to this brand for a purpose. I want you to know about this brand. I want you to buy into the idea of this brand, because this brand has got something really remarkable for everyone. That is really my definition of our brand ambassador. Thank you.
We have the opportunity to tie a contract with a phenomenal broadcaster in the person of Anita. I introduce and present to you the latest NRI ambassador, Anita.
I'm presenting this to you, a wonderful ambassador, and we know there will be transformation, there will be growth.